We are at Lincoln Elementary today. We are doing demonstrations of engineering principles for Engineers Week.
I wanted to spread my love for STEM beyond my own classroom walls and into the rest of the school. So I contacted Novate Corporation, a local company, and they graciously donated their time and engineers to come in and do STEM-related activities with each grade level that pertain to their specific standards.
The presentation I gave today is for simple machines. So we talked about wedges, pulleys, screws, a few different things like that.
I thought today was really cool to see the expression on the kindergartner's face, being able to do something they never thought they'd be able to do.
And I got to see fifth grade making ice cream. First grade, they had some chemical reactions going on, and there's just laughter and smiles in every area that I went to.
The biggest thing is get kids interested in science and engineering, math, technology, like the STEM program. I grew up in a high school that had Project Lead the Way with Purdue. Kind of got my interest sparked in it all. I knew I liked to take stuff apart, put it back together, see how it worked. And so, the younger we can get kids interested in, the better off they are. They can start learning more about it earlier than what I did. If you've ever wondered, how stuff works, it's the perfect way to try and figure it out.